Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and customize your online store using Weebly. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to open up my computer browser, and first thing you want to do is to sign up on Weebly. So all you need is your email address and your password, and now you're good to go. So once you are signed up, Weebly will now ask what kind of website would you like to create. So they will provide you with the right tools to get started. So if you need a website, just simply click on right here. But if you need a website and online store, just simply click on right here. So I'm just going to select I need a website with an online store. So next is we will start the name of your store. So just name any store or anything that you want right about here. So I'm just going to select store number 1. Now select continue. So are you currently selling? So you can select any of the answers right about here if you want to. So for now, I'm just gonna select no, I'm not yet selling. So when are you planning to start selling? So you can update this answer later. So just simply select any of this time frames right about here on when are you planning to start selling. So I'm just gonna select I'm not sure yet. So next is what type of items will you be selling online. So you have a bunch of different categories right about here on which are you planning to sell. So I'm just gonna select clothing and shoes. So I'm just gonna hit on continue. So next is we will now enter our store address. So this is important because this is for shipping and taxes purposes. So for now, I'm just going to simply skip on this, but make sure that you will enter the address of your store once you are signing up or once you are customizing your Weebly website. So I'm just going to select skip on right here, and now it will lead me to the home page right about here. So first things first is we're going to design our website. So I'm just going to select design now right about here, and it will lead me to the editor page in about a second. So as you can see right here, next is we will select a theme for our store. So we have a bunch of different themes we can choose from. So I'm just going to select this theme right here. And as you can see, this is the theme previews. As you can see, this is very professional to look at. And next is I'm going to start editing right about here. So next is, as you can see, this is the store. So if you want to add some title or some elements to your store, just simply drag or click the element first and simply drag on the screen right about here. So you can now actually put the title of your store right about there. So if you want to add more elements like images, slideshow, spacer, button, products, text, gallery, some videos, some dividers, and some social icons, just simply click on the element that you want and just simply drag it into the screen right about there. So next is I'm going to show you how you can now actually add your item. So next is I'm going to select add item right about here. Now to start adding item is very simple. So I'm just going to select import items. So you can import items to another stores that you want, or you can just simply create a new item right about here. Now you have a option to drag images here or click to upload your item. So I'm just going to select click right here, and for example, this is my item right about here. I'm just going to open this item right here, and now you can change what type of item this is. Is it physical or is it digital? So you have a bunch of different options to choose from right here. So for now, I'm just going to select digital, and now you can tell us what your item is called, the title of your item. You can set up the price right here and the sale price, and you can add some description. Now you can add some SKUs, or you can add some files if your file is for digital download. And next, once you have done that, just simply click on save right here, and now you are done. So basically that's it for this tutorial. I've covered the basics of this video, and if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions, just feel free to put it down in the comment section below. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!